Valve Index. The Valve Index, a powerhouse VR system that's redefining immersion and pushing the boundaries of gaming technology. First off, let's talk features. The Valve Index is packed with cutting-edge tech, including high-resolution displays with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. This means buttery smooth visuals and crystal-clear graphics that transport you to another dimension. Plus, with precise tracking sensors and ultra-low latency, every movement feels natural and responsive, whether you're dodging bullets or casting spells. But what really sets the Valve Index apart are its unique features. Take, for example, the revolutionary finger tracking controllers. With sensors that detect individual finger movements, you can interact with virtual objects in ways you never thought possible, adding a whole new layer of realism to your VR experience. And let's not forget about the built-in speakers with 3D spatial audio. It's like having a full-blown surround sound system strapped to your head. Now, affordability might be a concern for some, but hear me out. While the Valve Index isn't the cheapest VR system on the market, it's definitely worth the investment. With its top-of-the-line hardware and unmatched performance, you're getting bang for your buck like never before. And let's talk about the design. The Valve Index sports a sleek and futuristic aesthetic that's as eye-catching as it is functional. The headset itself is lightweight and comfortable, with adjustable straps and padding to ensure a snug fit for hours of gaming. And the controllers? They feel like natural extensions of your hands, with ergonomic grips and intuitive button layouts that make them a joy to use. So there you have it, folks. The Valve Index, a VR system that's raising the bar and taking gaming to new heights. Get ready to step into another world? The future of gaming is here.